27 August 2026, and right now time is 12:47 p.m. Presently I am in Purbo Bachaibari BC under Bachaibari Agri Sector, Tulashikar Agri Subdivision. So this is my aromatic paddy cluster under PM RKBY, and the variety grown here is Kalikasha, Harinarayan and Madhumalati. So here, this is the overview of this plot, and the beneficiary's name is Mohan Debbarma, Ramesh Debbarma, Tribini Debbarma. All together in this Purbo Bachaibari, our total achievement during this year is more than 10 hectare in case of aromatic paddy. So even in case of aromatic paddy, they have shown this line transplanting. So this is the condition, and the age of this plot is around 25 days old, and this is the route of Champahar to Bachaibari route. Even by this route we can go to Behlabari, and this is the overview of this cluster. And here altogether our total achievement is more than 10 hectare in case of this aromatic paddy. But beside aromatic also there are other paddy like RGP also there, CR Dhan 310 variety, and all has been sown under this line transplanting. So here the total farmers are around 5-6 numbers, but most of the plot belongs to Mohan Debbarma as well as Ramesh Debbarma of Purbo Bachaibari under Tulashikar Agri Subdivision. So this is also aromatic paddy, and here this paddy is Madhumalati, and beside Madhumalati another two varieties like Kalikasha and Harinarayan is there. And this is the overall condition of this plot. I think still water is there in this plot. So I don't know how much the yield will be give, since everyone knows that in case of aromatic paddy we are getting less yield compared to our HYB or hybrid. So this time we are doing this paddy in line transplanting, so our expectation level will be high. Let's see, it will be know only after once we'll do crop cut in this area. So here this cluster, I think Ramesh Debbarma alone, he is having around 10-12 kani, and this actually this also line transplanting, but they have sown in this way, in this direction. So it's not means properly visible from the road, but if we stand vertically, then I think it is visible now. So this all are sown under this line transplanting. So I urge our circle in charge as well as farmer to look after this plot, because this is very near to our office, around 5 kilometers our office headquarter distance from this place. So it will be very easy to look after the plot. And this is the overview of the whole cluster of aromatic paddy under PM RKBY. So we'll be giving assistance shortly under the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. So I thanks my cultivator Ramesh Debbarma, Mohan Debbarma as well as Tribini Debbarma for having faith in our department, so that we can give this assistance. And one thing I want to mention, that in this plot we didn't use any chemical fertilizer, since we'll be Ramesh and Mohan, they are also the farmers of MOBC Denier, will be purchasing this paddy through the Bosong Organic FPC under MOBCD Phase 4. So once again, I thanks each and everyone. Kicha kokborok baisa nai. O jaga je kheto tongmani mokhai chini mai motom. Khasa kosom, Madhumalati ingkai Harinarayan tinta variety. Mo plot ongkha chini takuk Mohan Debbarma, Ramesh Debbarma te Tribini Debbarma ni. ओमफ्राय चिनाव जायगा जे टोटाल क्लास्टाराव जों प्राय ताकलाय 10 हेक्टर हाय अ पूर्व बासाय बारियाव सिमिनो जों माइ खायखा ओमफ्राय मो माइ अलरेडी ताबो प्राय 25 दिन हाय इनका बिन बयस मैक्सिमाम माइनो जों लाइन ट्रान्सप्लान्टिं खायखा ओमफ्राय ताबो जों अजा क्रप काट खायफोरानो साइमानो जायाव जायगा बस प्रोडक्शन नों हायफोरनो जों नर्माल माइ बर माइखै बरलिया मनो लाइनावनो बर' जों अ जायगा बसाय तंगै भिडिअ खाय तंफ्रो फानसे माइ मतम जिब जिब बाय फायो ओमफ्राय आं सिनि ताखौ रमेश मोहन ओमफ्राय त्रिवेणी देबब्रह्म बर'नो जतनो हामबाय जानांगौ हामबाय जानांगौ चिनि सार्केल इनचार्ज सत्यजित देबब्रह्म ते सेक्टर अफिसार प्रमोद नवान्थि नब जतनो हामबाय थैंक यू